Hi, welcome back to Houseplants with Hosea. Today I want to share a little plant joy and talk about the bird's nest fern. This isn't just any house plant. It's what's called an epiphytic plant. That means in nature it grows on other plants or surfaces instead of in soil. It doesn't steal from its host. It just uses it for support and gets its water and nutrients from the air and rain. I picked up this gorgeous fern at Trader Joe's for just $8. What a find. I brought it home to my New York City apartment and set it on a table near a northwest facing window. For the first week, I left it alone so it could settle in. 2 days ago, I gave it its first drink. All the leaves were green and healthy, but after watering, the bottom row of leaves starting to yellow. My guess? Letting it dry out that first week may have stressed those lower leaves. There's a small chance it was the watering, but I doubt it. Could it be the light? My apartment gets bright, dappled light most of the day, thanks to the trees in nearby buildings. The table stays in a shadow even when the sunlight hits the walls. If you have any ideas, maybe you've seen this with your own bird's nest fern, let me know in the comments. I love learning together and sharing these plant stories. Thank you for watching Houseplants with Hosea. Until next time, keep growing and glowing.